I grew up being like really influenced by like sci-fi and horror movies, and there was like a lot of us from Michigan that grew up watching those kind of movies. Well, painting, as you can see, and I work with a lot of mylar and plastic and wood and glass and video, pretty much everything except for drawing. I guess I would kind of like go by the term polymath because it's like this relationship between like different worlds and like being, you know, into visual art and being very serious about it, but also being very serious about music too. I mean, ultimately, I'm describing like one whole reality with my work, and it's hard to do, like to go back and forth between the mediums, but I can't not do it. I guess for me, the music and the video and the, you know, the sculptures, it's like about becoming more of a human sculpture, and more like the music is describing this like other world and kind of like another, you know, another dimension and sort of this like alter reality. And so when I perform, I feel like I let myself like transform into this like kind of like alien person. I feel like in a way like these ones like feel like a new series to me, because it's like stuff that I haven't done like 100% before. Like a lot of the designs that I make oftentimes are like paintings, and then they're like cut up collages. Like there's, you know, like I have the t-shirts and stuff, and it's like it'll be like it looks like kind of like video feedback, but it's like a mixture of painting and video feedback. So it's like that relationship with like the analog and digital kind of like conversation there. I don't know, I think like having it floating in the white is like an interesting thing. So like I did something like that with like another collage series that I used to call zone modules. But this is, yeah, I haven't really like hung prints on the wall that like look quite like this. But I'm excited about it because I wanted to do something new.